Here we come to the atrium glass elevators at the Hilton Anatole Hotel in Dallas, Texas. These are Otis, installed in 1979, modernized in 2018. This is the original wing of the Hilton Anatole Hotel. And these are Otis with Series M2 fixtures, just like the one in the tower wing. Let's ride, here we go. And we got a glass elevator. Actually, no, this is the internal one. My bad. 14? These are the glass elevators right across from us. These are not as busy as the one in the tower. It runs very smooth too. Goes out. The door's fast. One. These used to have Otis Lexan. Look in the mirror. Hi. Look up in the ceiling. Hi. These are your fixtures. Despite that these are the low-rise elevators, but otherwise they're way similar to the tower elevators that I filmed. Alright, we're gonna send this up, and we're gonna try to get one of these glass elevators right here. Alright, let's call a glass elevator. We got that one over there. I love that lantern. 14? I really love that view out there.
Fourteenth floor. Going down.
I didn't realize that there's an Otis logo right there. I can barely see down that shaft. Go down to 1. Look up in the ceiling. Hi. Anyway, this is just like all the other ones, except that this is glass. You see down to the lobby right there, look at that. And look up there too. Anyways, for the record,
First floor.
I'll go for one more ride.
Going up.
Look at that up there, I'll let you get a good view. Look at that roof up there. I've got to show that. You see that's down to the lobby. See, look how empty this lobby is. I'm pretty sure that was the similar case when Steven came here. I really like that roof up there. Look at that.
14th floor.
Alright, back down to 1
Going
and there.
down.
And the door close button works. I love that. That view. You see into the guest hallway right there. Here are the other elevator cars right there. Look at that fluorescent light.
First floor.
Looks like the pit light is on over there.
Going up.
Where are we going? The elevator.
Alright, there it goes, and that's it.